Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, and then you have to enter display and lock screen and wallpaper, then wallpaper. Here you can select one of the preset wallpapers. As you can see, they are not that bad. But you can also set your own image or any other picture as your wallpaper by tapping here. Then you have to select your image, adjust it, we can adjust it on lock screen, on home screen here, and then tap here to confirm it. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.